Hey, it's Britt.
And chels
We are singing Payphone
by Maroon 5 featuring
with Penelope, whatever you say.
Well, here we go. Hope you guys like. Subscribe and like. Trying to call home all of my chains that stand on you.
We're having the fun,
Come, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to see. It's even hard to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it's too late to try it. And I find out you wasted how long I tried to think.
I've wasted my nights, you turned off the lights, but I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we kind of love, but even the sun sets in paradise.
I'm at a painful trying to call home all of my pain I've spent on you. We're having the time, so baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
If happy ever after still exists, I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, turn your back on tomorrow.
You didn't forget yesterday. I gave you my love tomorrow. I just give it away. You can forget to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but I won't forget this time down.
I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time. Screams all the love, even the sunset in paradise. I'm in a payphone trying to call home all of my chains I stand on you. Where have the sun gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. No, I'm at a payphone. I'll be out spending all the money on love. We can't rap it, so it's gonna do it by itself. You can go and take it home with you. At a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
I hate it yesterday. You should be holding me like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. And one more stupid love song I'll be singing.
And I'm at a payphone.
Bye.
Hope you liked it. Subscribe and like. Peace out, home dog.